Hello, my name is Cole, and today we're at the fort. It's a really incredibly warm day today. It's about 50 degrees, and it's December 30th right now as I'm filming this video. And it's so warm. I don't even need this jacket. I have it for the rain. But it's so warm out here. You see all the fog. Ooh. There's also this big, massive puddle over here. It's not a puddle, it's more like a pond. But there's just so much water from all the snow and everything. It's so, I don't know, it's so warm, and it's almost January. January's in two days, I think. But anyway, I'm here at the fort. I was thinking I'd try to maybe put up something that's sort of like shingles, maybe. I was thinking I'd put them right here because it's really wet and it's drippy and rainy. It's not as good at repelling water as it was before when it had all its leaves. When the hemlock had its leaves. So, I guess I'll get started. I sawed down this log here, or not, I sawed this log right here off of one of the trees over out in the front of the fort. And I'm planning to maybe I'll try to saw it in half, or maybe cut it into shorter pieces and then put it on the roof of the fort. Ooh, the camera. Oh no. Alright, I think you're alright. Okay, I'm gonna put you back. This little drawer's all locked. Okay, never mind. I won't fiddle with that drawer. No. Hmm. Whew. It's raining, it's pouring. Wonder if I can split the log. It would be a lot easier to do that. I think I'd have to cut it into smaller bits though. I guess I should do that. I brought a chisel so I can make notches in this. So if when I put it on the top of the fort, I could make notches and make it more sturdy. Maybe I should just leave the outer bark on. It's another layer of protection. It's not like I'm sleeping on it or anything. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to saw it into smaller bits now. I don't think that will work. Thought maybe I could try to weaken it by chopping it. My saw blade's getting really loose. I've been using nails lately just to screw it in. There's a nail in the drawer that the camera's on, but the drawer's stuck. I really need to sharpen my saw. I don't have any files though. I could just go get it sharpened. It's getting hot in this jacket. Whew. Maybe I should try to snap it now. Oh, didn't work. Oh, it's working a little bit. Just need to keep on sawing. Ooh, there. Finally cut this log right here. This one. I need somewhere to prop this log up. Yeah, maybe right here. I really need somewhere to prop this up. Maybe right here. I think this is gonna work. Yeah, I didn't think so. Ooh. Trying to think. See if I can. No, I think I need the rock to do that. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna use the rocks over here. Ooh, they're so wet. Oh, the sun's coming out. That's nice. The sun is lovely. It's been rainy for the past 2 days. I need to get the other rock. No, it's not gonna work. Okay, that's not gonna do it. I'm just gonna see if I can pound that. I did something. Oh yeah, there we go. I think I split it. No. Let's see. I got it. I think that will work well enough. It's kind of nice. You can see all the nice pine under there. I wonder what it smells like. It smells nice. It smells like pine. No wonder. Shouldn't be a surprise. It smells nice though. Yeah, there we go. Nice piece of wood there. Switch it around. Little switcheroo. Okay, that didn't work. I need to tilt the axe up more. Hatchet. Ooh. There we go. Split it now. Whoa, the camera. Need some sort of wedge. Huh. Let's see, what can I make into a wedge? Let's see, maybe this. Oops, that's not gonna do good. Can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to cut this piece of wood here into a wedge. Maybe I should use the chisel for this. Might be enough of a wedge. If I were to split it a little more. Ow. It's splitting. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, these are what I want. This would be good for making a roof. Maybe I should just shave off some of this bark real quick. It's getting really hot. I think I might have to take off my jacket. The sun just came out and it's beautiful. Like, I wonder if the camera can see this, but you could see the little bits of, you could see how misty it is right here. There seems to be like water vapor or mist in the air still, and even though the sun's out, and it's really foggy, and there's still a cloud right here. It's still foggy. Also, it might be because of the little pond right here. So, yeah, look at that. I don't know if yeah, look at that. This little ray of light with all this mist right here. Wow. It's foggy and sunny. It looks great. And it's really warm out here too. It's almost January. I think if I was in Alaska right now, I don't think it would be 50 degrees in January. Put the camera down and get back to work. Yeah, I'm done splitting that other log. I just got done with the bark. Now I need to ooh, it's still raining on my back. It's still wet. Now I need to split this log. I need to hit it in the right spot, and if I hit it too much to the edge, then it just kind of wants to, every time I hit it, just wants to come right off. Still on the edge too much. Yeah, there we go. I think that's a little bit better. It's not in well enough. Have to find some rock or something to pound this in. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find something to pound the hammer in with. I'm gonna try to find something that's not too heavy, like a big rock. I want to find a little rock or a stick or something. There's a little rock right here. I think I want it more little. And all the rocks around here are wet too. This one's soaking wet. Might work though. Ooh. There we go. We got the edging on that one. Ooh. Yeah, this is... I might want to find another log. Or just keep whacking it. I don't think whacking it will help. Huh. Yeah, I don't like this rock because it hits only a specific point and it just keeps moving it only into one spot. Just keeps on hitting it in one spot. Huh. Yeah. Huh. Whoa, no. Hello. Sure. There. Okay. I don't think I have the best place for a camera, but... Oh, yeah, this is much better. the axe or hatchet is tilted at a little bit of an angle, so it keeps on falling down. Yeah, this is hard. Let's see if I can hit it. There we go. I just split the other log into this. And another one, another piece. It looks just the same. I'll have to split this other log. I don't think I'll split it right now. I cut this log here so I can use it for my mallet. And I'm getting lots of raindrops on me. It's just out here. Ugh. And the rays of the sun were shining through the trees, and it just looked wonderful. Wonder if I can get that same shot. The sun's not out as much anymore, but it's still pretty. This whole pond here, it's all from snow and rain. So much of it. It's like, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches deep. It's huge. Yeah, this is me next to this massive puddle, I guess you could say. Because it's not permanent, so temporary pond, you could say. Well, anyway, I'm going to end the video here. And also, if you like the content, please consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.